Hello everyone, in this lecture today I'm going to talk to you about how to quantify immunohistochemistry or immunofluorescence image using ImageJ software. In this lecture I'm also going to talk about how to get rid of the background in the immunohistochemistry images while quantifying those images using ImageJ software. Okay, so first, to quantify the images, what we have to do is that we just have to go to the image. Okay, so let's say that this is the image that I want to quantify, and I'm just gonna drag and drop it in the ImageJ software. I already have the program ImageJ software opened in my computer. Okay, so this is my image that I want to quantify, right? This is the positive area, and these are the negative areas. So this is the area that I want to quantify. Okay, so then to quantify this area, so what I'm going to do first, I have to go to image, and then I have to convert this image into 8-bit image. Okay, so now this image has been converted into 8-bit image. Okay, after this, or before this also, what we can do is that we can go to analyze. You can go to analyze and then go to set measurements. Okay, and then here in my in this pop-up box, you can see that area and area fraction has already been checked. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to check on area, and you also have to check on area fraction while you are setting the measurements for the quantification of these immunohistochemistry or immunofluorescence images. Okay, so check area or area fraction, and then I'm gonna press OK. Right, so this has been set. Now the image has already been converted to 8-bit image. Okay, image type and 8-bit, this I have already done. Right, so then what I have to do is that then I have to go to adjust. Okay, so after that, after this image has been converted into 8-bit image, what I have to do is that I have to go to adjust and then go to adjust, and okay, first image and then adjust, and then I will go to threshold. I'm just going to click on threshold. Okay, so then what I have to do, I will just drag it like this, and then I'm going to keep default here. Okay, default, this I will keep it default, and here I'm going to keep red. Okay, so then I'm just gonna slide it down so that I can only see that my here I have some backgrounds. Okay, and let's see, yeah, so if you look here, I'm just gonna drag it here. Okay, so while you are moving this here and there, okay, left and right, so what you need to pay attention to is that, for example, if you do it like this, this whole area is red. This is what we don't want, because our original image only has this part red. So then we will adjust in such a way that only this area becomes red. Here also I see something red, but let's say more or less this is what our original image looked like, right? So this, and then what I will do after doing this, then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on analyze, and then I will press measure. Okay, so the 15% of my area is positive, area of my image is positive, and that this is my area. Okay, this is how you can quantify. Okay, but and few more things that I want to say. For example, in our original image, this area was not positive. In our original image, this area was not positive. And for example, when you are doing, when you are making quantification, and you see that the other areas than your desired area, this is the desired area which is positive, but that also becomes red, and this this redness will also impact the area that you see here. Then you have to get rid of that, right? So you have to get rid of that background. So to get rid of that background, what you can do actually is that you can simply click on this one, and then just select, okay, for example, okay, let's say that this area becomes red, but this is not my intended area, let's say. Okay, and then you're just gonna click it like this, and click it here, right? And then you will go to edit, and then you will cut it. Even if you do it, your total area will not be changed because it will be the same, and you just got rid of the extra background area that was falsely stained red while doing quantification, but originally that was not red, so you want to get rid of that area, so you just do it like that. But when you select it, then to make it appear white, what you have to do is that you have to, in my case here it's already appearing white, but in normal cases it will not appear white. Okay, so then I'm just gonna, because there is this command, I got it. Okay, so in normal cases it will not appear white. So what I will do then, or what you will have to do, is that you will have to go to edit and then to options, and in the options you need to go to color, and for selection you will keep yellow, but for foreground and background, for both of these you are going to make it white and white. Okay, then only this thing will appear white. Okay, this is really important. Otherwise, if it appears black, then that will be also stained red. Okay, in while doing quantification, and then you will click on OK while setting up. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, the settings. Okay, maybe I can show you another example, and with that example I can make you clear about this reduction of the background. I'm just gonna get rid of this image, let's say. Do you want? No. And okay, I will now quantify this another image just to make you clear what I want to explain by telling that okay, we can get rid of the background that that is not a part of our positively stained area. And for that, what we can do, that I will explain one more time. So this is another image that I want to quantify. You know the procedure, right? First you will go to image and then go to type, image, and then type, and then you will click on 8-bit. Okay, you see here it also became positive, and originally it was not positive. Okay, if you look at original image, this was not positive. So I mean, I can undo it. Okay, look here, this is the black thing. This is the black thing, some unwanted black thing that came from your staining. And when I convert this image into when I convert this image into 8-bit image, it also appears black. Okay, it's black. So we don't need to set measurements, but it's already set. So basically we can check, yeah, area and area fraction, yeah, both of these are checked, and we're just going to press OK. And after this, then what you need to do, you will go to image, and then you will go to adjust. Okay, image, and then you will go to adjust, and you will go to threshold. Okay, image, adjust, threshold, and then you will play around with these two things. Just gonna keep things default here. Yeah, okay, you see here this thing also appear red, but in our original image this was not appearing red, right? And when we do the quantification for this, okay, if we quantify this, and this will not reflect our true value, therefore we must get rid of that black thing that was present in our original image, right? To get rid of that, what we can do, okay, I will just get rid of this one also. I will just select no. I'm just gonna start everything over. So I will just drag this one here, and then this image I have dragged here. And what I can do, I can show you, is that I can go to then image and then type, and then I clicked on it. If I click on 8-bit, yeah, this is also appearing black, but this I have to get rid of, because in my original image this was something black already appearing. I want to get rid of that. So to get rid of that, I will click on here. You need to click on this icon in the ImageJ. I hope you can see everything clearly. So click on this icon in the ImageJ, and then you just make a circle around it, yeah, and it has to become like this. And what you can do is that you can go to edit, and then you can cut it. Okay, you cut it, and so you got rid of this black part, but this will not change your total area of the image. It will remain same. Okay, and I already showed you how to make this one white. To make this one white, you will go to edit and then to options and then to colors, and in the colors you have to select white and white. These two things has to be white and white, then only it will appear white. Okay, just press OK just to show you. Okay, right, so now we can quantify this image. Okay, and if I go to image and then I'll go to adjust and then I will go to threshold, yeah, and I will just drag it. Okay, and yeah, something like this. Right now we don't have anything here because we got rid of that, and just try to get, you know, all your positive area red, and the area which is not positive in the original image, try not to get red as far as possible. Okay, and after this you need to go to analyze and then you will click on measure. Okay, you will click on measure, and so this is the area that we have, which is also around 15%. Okay guys, so this is the brief explanation on how to quantify images in the ImageJ software, and also how to get rid of the background while doing quantification in the ImageJ software for immunohistochemistry and immunofluorescence images. The examples that I have shown here were the paraffin embedded sections on which staining was performed, and the sections were from the mouse liver. Thank you very much for your kind attention.